Self-introduction in English for students. Hello everyone. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Rohit, and I am from New Delhi. I am currently pursuing a degree in business management and have always been interested in finance and economics. In my free time, I enjoy reading business books and keeping up with the latest news and trends in the industry. I am also an avid traveler and love to visit new places and learn about different cultures. I believe that traveling helps broaden one's perspective and helps one understand the world better. I am a hardworking and dedicated individual and always strive to give my best in everything I do. I am looking forward to a great academic journey at this university and hope to make the most of the opportunities that come my way. I hope to make meaningful contributions to the field of business management and help make a positive impact in the world. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video.